So today we are going to check out how Mistral AI is. So to give a bit about the information of Mistral AI. So Mistral AI is made by a European company. It is based in France. Uh, it is a completely open source AI model, which means that you can download the LLMs made by Mistral AI on your own desktop. You can use it for your own personal your preference. For example, if you're running a agent and you want to run it on your own desktop, you can download Mistral and do it so as per your preference. So today we are going to check out how Mistral AI is an alternative to ChatGPT. So there are a lot of models made by Mistral AI which are completely open source, which means free, which I'll show you in a bit. Let's check out the website of Mistral AI first. So it says AI powered coding for the enterprise, lightning fast completions, deep code understanding, agent software engineering right where you work. Code with intelligence, control with confidence. Why Mr. AI code? Actually, I think a major company, maybe Google or Microsoft, took a contract from Mistral AI that they want to use the coding LLM which is made by Mistral, and it was pretty huge. It was a big news. Frontier intelligence in your private ID. So let's check out the products. AI Studio, everything you need at the front. You can download the AI Studio on your own desktop. Start building. So this is for tech heavy people who are developers and want to tweak the LLM models as per their preference. They can do it. So frontier models. So these are all the Mistral AI models which are made by this company, the developers. First one being Medium 3. It is the state of art performance at 8x lower cost. By the way, my voice might not sound a bit good because I'm a bit sick right now. But yeah, so let's move forward. So I think Medium 3 is a new language model just like GPT, but a bit different. It is introduced recently. We will test this out in a bit. Let's see other models. Then there is Magistral, specialized, transparent, and multilingual reasoning. This is for complex problems, just like a coding task or bit of reasoning problems. So at that time, you have to use Magistral model. Then there is Mistral Large, the flagship model by this company for reasoning, code, and analysis tasks designed for most sophisticated enterprise needs. Then Document AI, enterprise grade document processing. So this model extracts and understand complex text and writing tables and images from any document. Then Mistral Small. There are a lot of models as you can see. Mistral Edge, Codestral, Voxtral, Mistral Embedded, multi-model models, Mistral moderation. So these are some of the free open weight models for research, which are free to use. You can use it as much as you want, completely free. First is Devstral, then Mistral Small, Magistral Vortex. You can test it out by clicking. You will get some starts what the model is about, and I'll show you where you can test out all the models created by Mistral. So if you want to use Mistral, you have to go into products and then click on Lay Chat. This is the AI assistant for your most meaningful work. Once you click on Lay Chat, click here, try Lay Chat. Accept the TOS. Then you have to first sign in if you already have an account, or use the sign up button. So there is something new update on Lay Chat. It's introducing memory in chat. What Lay Chat means is the lay mean being the French word, the chat, I think so. We can enable this if you want. I'll just click enable. Then you can customize how you use this LLM model on the browser. And also, if you want to use this on your own desktop, I'll show you how you can do it. So first, I'll show how you can download the LLM or AI model from Mistral on your desktop. So go to Hugging Face. This is for people who are developers. You can go into models, then search for Mistral, and here you go. You can, as you can see, there are a lot of models by Mistral. You can download whichever you want and then work on it on your local PC as per your needs. Now, here we go back again on the lay chat, and I'll show you. You can write whatever prompt you want to ask. Like, let's ask about what is here. Nvidia is a leader, and Mistral is pretty fast to give you answers. It is, I think so. This is more faster than ChatGPT, like in speed, what I think. And yeah, it gives out the answers pretty fast. Flash, as you can see, flash answer, flash. Yeah. So you can also enable. Sorry, you can also enable the deep research mode if you want. As you can see, when you click on this, you get an expert research report in minutes with 10x the sources, or you can just enable the thinking mode, or you can enable the different tools which are mentioned over here. Let's enable the research mode and see. Give a report about AMD. As you can see, once you enable the research mode, it goes into a kind of a analysis based mode where it researches out step by step about our prompt and gives an answer. So click on start research. So you can say this is like an more advanced mode based on the model. So yeah, it's gathering the information from various sources about AMD and then just writing it for us. This is pretty good. The research mode is pretty good for more complex tasks like asking for some coding problems or some physics problems or some mathematical problems which are very high in difficulty. Then you can use this research mode. It will always try to give you a more accurate answer in this mode, and it also takes quite a bit of time. While this is working, let's check out what agents is. So if you have already heard the word of AI agents, it means that it literally automate the task once you create an agent. For example, if you create a data analyst agent and already give it an instruction, once you upload any CSV or data set, it will completely automate and give you the task based on your preferences, on what you have set it to. As you can see, once you click on data analyst, you can edit the instructions over here, like analyze the data set, then plot this data thoroughly and give me key figures in mean, median, and standard deviation. And you can add more instructions like run a random regression model or a logistic regression model or a random forest or any ML model on this based on the instructions. So once you provide it. So yeah, that is how agents work. It will completely automate all the tasks for you. You don't have to do it step by step. Let's check out more agents. There are personal tutor, global summarizer, writing assistant. Or you can just click on create an agent where you are given the complete control on what and how and on what basis you want to create an agent. The purpose of agent. You have to write the instruction and it will create it for you. So agents are a bit more for technical person or a developer, but our main focus is learning how to use AI in a simple way. So agents is a good thing if you want to test out, but it gets more complex and there is always a learning curve where you want to learn AI. So it it isn't like in few minutes you will learn everything, but there is a learning curve. You learn new things step by step. So yeah. So it completely created a PDF report for us, advanced micro devices, AMD, a comprehensive analysis of history, products, market position, and for future outlook. Well, it did took some time, but it literally created an whole PDF report for you, which is pretty amazing. I don't think so. Like ChatGPT does this as aesthetically pleasing as Mistral is doing this. Give a complete company review overview, history and evolution, core business segments. Yeah, it's a complete whole report. Pretty amazing. And if I compare the UI or how this Mistral AI looks, I think I'll prefer using Mistral AI based on the visual UI UX concept, or based on like uh other than ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also good, but I think Mistral has a minimalistic kind of a view. You can select agents if you want, or create new. You can attach documents, create a library. So let's check out what a library is. Organize and include informations for your chats. Oh, so if you want to, you can, if you are uploading the same document multiple times on different chat sections, instead of doing that, you can just dump all your documents. You can collect all your documents and just paste over in library, and then you can access it in any chat on Mistral, which is pretty good. So everything is organized over here. Also, you can create a new project if you want. Use projects to add to organize and share chats. Pretty good. There is memories, which works based on your chat sessions. Connectors, if you want any connectors to be enabled. So what connectors are is that you can add, maybe GitHub is. So what connectors are is you can access your information on different apps on Mistral if you add it. So it is kind of a connector. So you can connect your GitHub account to Mistral and then just search for repositories on LateChat itself. Pretty good. Let's see what tools there are. You can also connect your Gmail to LateChat and then just read all the mails you have gotten today on Mistral itself once you connect your Gmail. Yeah, that's it. And you can also tweak your settings in Mistral if you want, like like giving access to your domain members. Like you can add and collaborate with different members on the same uh, chat session chat. And there are API keys. So once again, API keys and LLM models which can be downloaded on local basis is for developers. So if you are a developer, I know you would already know what API is and how API works. So there is a price for API usage, as every AI organization does a pricing based on API if you're using an API. So yeah, that's everything from me. Hope you liked this session, and I hope you all understand Mistral a bit more about how it works and how it's and ChatGPT alternative if you want to use it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. And also, sorry, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Also share my videos to your friends and family. Thanks for watching.